Hello guys, welcome to Good Academy. It's our first class in which we will learn about HTML introduction, HTML tags, web browsers, HTML page structure, and HTML versions. So let's start. First, HTML introduction. What is HTML? HTML is a markup language for describing web documents like web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. HTML documents are described by HTML tags. Each HTML tag describes different document type. Here is an example of HTML. Like here are some codes and their outputs. Like head, title and body and heading tag and paragraph tags. Like these tags are used to develop a web page. HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets. Like you can see there. HTML tags are normally come in pairs like P and this one, like you can see there. The first tag in a pair is the starting tag and the second tag is the ending tag. This one is starting tag and this one is ending tag. The end tag is written like the starting tag but with a slash before the tag name. Web browsers. The purpose of a web browser like Chrome, IE, Firefox, etc. is to read HTML documents and display them. The browser does not display the HTML tags but uses them to determine how to display the document. Like you can see there. HTML structure. Here is the HTML structure. Like in the HTML tag it contains all the tags, and in the head tag it contains title and meta tags which we will discuss in the next class, and in the body tag it will contain headings, paragraphs and other tags. Now at last, HTML versions. Since the earlier days of the web, there have been many versions of HTML, like HTML in 1991, HTML 2.0 1995, HTML 3.2 1997, HTML 4.01 1999, and XHTML 2000, and the latest version of HTML is HTML5, which was launched in 2014. Hope that you will understand the whole topic. We will meet in the next class. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.